Tuesday's precise and important news. Honorable Amirul Mu'mineen has ordered the Interior Ministry to collect addicts from all over the country. The Supreme Leader of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan assigned the Ministry of Interior to collect and treat all drug addicts in Afghanistan and has ordered that the revenue from one mine in the country should be spent on the treatment of drug addicts. The collected addicts are grateful to the Islamic Emirate for treatment and giving them a new life. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is the first government that paid attention to us and collected us for the treatment, said the addicts brought to the hospital for treatment. Entire Afghanistan is under the control of Islamic Emirate. Honorable Zabiullah Mujahid, spokesman for Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, said that in the name of resistance, now there is nothing on earth, not even a single village that is not under the control of the Islamic Emirate. District name of the person to be added to national ID cards. National Statistics Information Authority said that the name of the district of the person alongside the expiry date will be added to the front side of the National Electronic Identity Card. The said authority added that the holders of electronic ID cards are instructed to register their biometric data every 10 years and change the image of their ID card as desired. Low quality oil returned to Iran. Afghanistan National Standards Authority says that they have returned 4 tankers of low quality oil back to Iran at Islam Kala port. Salang Highway is open to traffic. The Ministry of Public Works says that the weather in Salang is cloudy today and the highway is open to traffic, adding that passenger vehicles can travel from both sides with the help of chain and cargo vehicles can travel from north to south. 29 arrested on various charges in 24 hours. As many as 29 suspects from 9 different provinces have been detained by the police in the past 24 hours for the charges of committing criminal offenses, said the Ministry of Interior Affairs. The Afghanistan Bank to auction another $16 million tomorrow. The Afghanistan Bank will auction $16 million tomorrow Wednesday to keep the local currency rate stable in the market.